How are you guys? Good to see you all. So look, I have a free webinar. People have been asking, when's your next seminar? When's your next summit? The next summit is going to be in February, but I have really awesome free webinars that I'm planning because people have been requesting me for things such as how do you plan your finances with your move abroad? If you also have really big goals, which I know you probably do, mine, for example, is to open a retreat center in Spain. It's very important that you have a phased out approach and that you're putting money away to really hit those goals. So I'm actually working with a financial planner who is going to be joining me on this free webinar. It's on September 1st at 9 a.m. PST. And just to give you a background, he's going to be talking about the strategies that he's using with his clients that are moving abroad. Really interesting strategies that I never heard from my ex financial planner, which was Edward Jones. Nobody was really open to financial planning and moving abroad. Everybody was always telling me, oh, if you're moving abroad, you won't be able to, be doing all of these accounts and open these IRAs and open the life insurance policy and put your money in the high yield cash savings. They were all telling me no, but it is possible. So you want to work with somebody and hear insights from people that are actually doing this and have done this for people. So join me. The link is below or in the bio, and see you there.